Have you ever written a paragraph that looked fine, but somehow didn't flow? The ideas were good, the grammar was correct, but something felt broken between the sentences, and that something is connection. How one idea joins to the next one. In English writing, we join ideas with linking words such as and, but, so, because, although. They are one word. They're small, but they make your sentences sound smooth and natural. So this lesson will show you step by step how to use these 5 common connectors clearly. If you can use them correctly, you already show the examiner that you can build longer, more natural sentences. A key skill for IELTS Band 6 and 7 and even onwards to 8. Let's start with the simplest one, and. We use and to add ideas of the same type. For example, I like coffee and tea. In writing, you can also use it to continue your thought. People want clean air and a safe place to live. It joins two positive or negative ideas smoothly. Next is but. We use but to show difference or contrast. For example, the city is busy, but the countryside is quiet. So in IELTS Writing Task 2, this is useful when you want to show both sides of a topic. Some people like working from home, but others prefer the office. Now let's look at the third one. So, we use so to show result. It started to rain, so we went inside. In writing, it helps you to show cause and effect simply. The company raised salaries, so employees felt happier. Next, because. So this we use to give a reason. For example, I exercise every day because I want to stay healthy. Reasons are powerful. Another sentence. Many people choose online learning because it saves time and money. So it shows your reason, shows that you're thinking, you're reasoning, and it's an important one to learn. Finally, although this word sounds a little bit higher level, but it's easy once you know it. We use although to show a surprising difference. For example, although the movie was long, it was interesting. Although technology helps students, it can also distract them. So let's put this together in one short paragraph about health. Exercise is good for the body and it helps people relax. Many people do not have time, but they can still walk after work. Some stop early because they feel tired, so it's important to rest and eat well. Although it's not easy to build a good habit out of exercising, regular exercise brings great results. See how the paragraphs now moves like a story. Each sentence connects well with the next one naturally. Here's another example about technology. The internet. The internet helps students find information and communicate with teachers. Many schools use online classes, so learning is more flexible. Some students enjoy it, but others miss studying with friends. Although technology is useful, it cannot replace good teachers. So these few examples show you how linking words make your writing clear and easy to follow. It shows reasoning, it shows contrast, and a conclusion or a result. They help you connect ideas of cause, contrast, addition, and result, all important for higher bands. Now let's practice together. Write 3 simple sentences about any topic, maybe your job, your hobbies, or your city. Then try to join them with the and, but, so, because, and although. Read the paragraph aloud. Does it sound smoother? If it does, you have used linking words correctly. Remember these tips. Use linking words only when needed. Too many can make your writing heavy. Change them sometimes. Don't always start with Change them sometimes. Don't always start with and or but. And make sure your ideas really connect in meaning. In IELTS writing, this is part of the coherence and cohesion, 25% of your score. That means even simple connectors used well can lift your band score. So next time you write, think of these 5 helpers: and, but, so, because, although. They are small, but together they make your English clear, confident, and connected. If you enjoyed this lesson, watch the next video: how to use linking words for high band fluency, to see how the same skill works at band 7, band 8 with more complex ideas. And if you missed the earlier video, sentence variety, rhythm and confidence, watch that too. It shows how different sentence types give your writing its music. Subscribe to Daily English with Dr. Ho. English is for everyone. You can have weekly lessons that help you build confidence step by step.